Hey guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS Y-3 KAIWA. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love. In the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the Y-3 KAIWA. And we got this in the UK size 8, European 42, and this US 8.5. We got this in the off-white colorway. And before I get unboxing, for those that don't know, Y-3 is Yohji Yamamoto and ADIDAS' brainchild. For those that don't know, again, Yohji Yamamoto is one of the most prolific Japanese designers currently, and what he's done with the ADIDAS line with Y-3 is superb, and anything is just genius. So let's get unboxing. It also comes with a dust bag, like a lot of Y-3 sneakers comes with a dust bag and another pair of laces, and we got some white flat laces for you. That's in this envelope. And here are the sneakers themselves. It's very lightweight, very beautifully designed and crafted sneaker. I mean, look at this, it's gorgeous. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is all a rubber outsole with herringbone patterning right there. And you can see bits of the foam midsole. It's exposed. You got the Y-3 logo on the heel there as well in black. The midsole unit, again, like I said, it's a foam. It's an EVA foam that makes the cushioning and great support. And I love the little detailing. So if you look at this, like little parts there. This is Yohji Yamamoto. It's beautiful. The upper is made out of blender materials. So essentially, this is a sock liner. You can see it at the back here with a neoprene material that makes the sock, and it's covered with the leather paneling. So you've got this beautifully crafted, gorgeous to touch, soft leather in this cool white colorway. Got flat laces to go with it, and the tongue, again, like I said, it's a neoprene sock essentially. So underneath the levers is just a sock unit that makes the sneaker, and that's what the tongue is made out of. Is made out of the neoprene upper, and you got the Y-3 logo also on it. At the back, you can see more of that neoprene because it's exposed, and just for bits of decoration, you got the Y-3 leather paneling there. The lateral side, it's not much else to say. You got the Yohji Yamamoto lettering on this little part there, and on the lateral side, it's more or less the same with the exposed neoprene. Very lightweight, it's a gorgeous design. It's one of those sneakers that look like the runners used to wear back in the day, in the mid-2000s. But if you're looking for a more elevated, more high fashion look, I highly suggest these Y-3s. I know that these are going to be comfortable when I try these on, which I'm going to do for you guys right now. So roll that footage, me trying these KAIWAs on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. For Adidas, I'm UK size 8. My toes are where they need to be. And these fit very comfortably, guys. They look really cool on as well. Didn't expect anything less from Yoji Yamamoto. Keep up the good work, and Yoji, if you're watching this, and we know that you are, throw some freebies for your boys. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time guys, peace.